do somewhere different tonight. I know we're doing Black History Month. Happy Black History Month to everyone. I'm taking you back to the roots. I'm taking you to the motherland. My name is Tosinga and I do Afro soul music. I'm originally from Nigeria and I sing in my Yoruba language. The first song I'm doing, the message is home is where the heart is. Our hearts are right here, right now, so this is home. When you hear me sing Ile, Ile means home. Let me hear you say Ile. Ile. Ile means home. Home is where the heart is. Listen to this song, ringing loud and clear. It's calling the prodigal sons. Oh, yeah. Although you have climbed Kilimanjaro and crossed the boundaries of the ocean, in the midst of your journey, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Don't you know? Don't you know? In the midst of your journeys, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Don't you know? Ile, 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 oh, ile, oh, ile, oh, ile, oh, ah, ile, ile, oh, ah, ile la voz, ile la voz de mi oko. Ile la voz de mi oko. Ile oh, ah, ah, ile la voz de mi oko. Yeah, yeah. Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Don't you know? Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Don't you know? Don't you know? Home is where the heart is. Yeah. Home is where the heart is. Yeah. Where there's peace, that's where you belong to. Ile la voz de mi oko. Where there's love, that's what you embrace. Ile oh, ah, ile oh, ah, ile oh, ah, ile oh, ile la voz de mi oko. Ile la voz de mi oko. Ile la voz de mi oko. thank you. The second one, I'm gonna take you to the Caribbean diaspora. I'm sure we all know who Bob Marley is. And this is one of Bob Marley's hits. Don't worry about a thing, everything is gonna be all right. Stay positive. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. I tell you, don't worry about a thing, no, no, 'cause everything is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds, picture my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, don't you worry. Everything is gonna be alright. I say, don't worry about a thing, no, no. Every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds, big shot my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, don't you worry, no. Every little thing is gonna be alright. No, no, don't worry about a thing, I tell you now. No, no, every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry, sing it with me, about a thing, don't you worry, no, no, every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry, be happy, eh? Don't worry, be happy, eh? Don't worry, be happy, every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't worry about a thing, don't you worry. Thank you all for having me. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Tosinga. That's Tosinger. Tosinga. You can check out my music online and follow on Instagram. It's been a pleasure. Thanks for having me.